Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our end of spring break. So, spring break is over, everybody, and we are back in mode baking and doing everything. So, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the D2L, the Facebook page, and the YouTube, and go over some dates and times and expectations. So let's start first with BKP 119, Section 1 or Section 2, doesn't really matter. We are in this together with the AM and the PM. So we're handling all that. If you're in Section 1 AM, you will log on to the SS1. If you're in PM, you'll log into the SS2. That's just D2Ls. Now, as far as the Facebook page, this is accessible by all of you. And then there's an additional area. This is my YouTube channel. So if you're a YouTube user, you can type in. Right now, I only have 15 subscribers, which tells me not all of you have logged in. So feel free, you can log in, and these videos are every single video is loaded for you guys, even how to do your evaluation for your video weekly. There's a couple of live YouTube screens, and if you're interested, there's some other stuff like cacao, um, business plans, things like that. So I've had this YouTube channel for quite some time. So let's get to the meat and potatoes of this. First off, dates and times, etc. Make sure you guys set aside some time for ample scaling without any disruptions. We've already had a few people do some baking, and that was the problem. They obviously had some disruptions and some bad scaling. Um, Make sure you watch the videos. If you look in here, for instance, if you're looking at week 2, all of these videos, here's week 2 right here. All these videos for every single one of them, pancakes, blueberry muffins, everything's there. Okay. It's also on the YouTube channel. So whichever one. Make sure you watch the video prior. Week 2 and week three's videos, as far as your baking, are going to be due by April 6th. Okay. April 6th is when you need to have your videos in on the Facebook page. Week 4 is April 13th. It needs to be turned in by then. Week 5 is April 20th, and week 6 is April 27th. Now, please realize part of your attendance is being taken through your assignments. So if you look at the Dropbox here, you'll see there's multiple drop boxes. You have week 1, that was your bread. And there are a few of you that still have not turned in week 1. You're going to get a basically kind of a Corona grace period till April 1st. You've only got a couple more days. Guys, you need to get this in. Drop boxes from week 1 when we did bread. All right, so get that in. Then you've got week 2 Dropbox. So there's still a Dropbox each week for what the work is that you're doing. And remember, that's graded 5 for recipes, 5 points for the SOPs, 5 points for the tool list, 5 points for your pictures, and 5 points for your 5-sentence reflection. You'll also notice down here that there's some other stuff. You've got homework for week 2. It even gives you the page numbers and the answers that are due. So those have to be turned in each week as well. That's your other part of your attendance. The other day of attendance, for instance, week 2 has day 3 and day 4. So day 3 is the homework, day 4 is your video. And that video should be no longer than 2 minutes and be loaded up to this area right here. Okay. And if you go to the website, the Facebook page, you'll notice that there's some folks that have already posted videos, and this is the format. They're up close, they're talking about it. Demetrius only took like a minute and 30. That's all it takes. And we will be saving these videos to post into our third party. All right. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by cell phone. Make sure you watch all the videos. Make sure you're paying close attention. Okay. And let's get all this stuff done and work together. Right now, I'm still waiting for a few people to reach out to me. So please reach out to me by cell and let's get this stuff done. All right. Thank you.